Say Selenium class 19 Java predefined methods. Say Java methods, basically two types. One is predefined methods already defined by Java software developers, Java developers. Next, user defined methods. You can develop methods for your project. Okay. Yesterday we discussed Java user defined methods. Today, predefined methods. Java has several categories of methods. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories important. We will discuss those 4 categories. And string methods, array methods, some methods we discussed indirectly. Anyhow, once again I will introduce them. First one, important one for our test automation, string methods. String methods. See, these are the categories of predefined methods. Next, number methods. Methods on numbers means operations on numbers. Next, character methods. Methods are operations on characters. Next, array. Just a minute. Array methods, etc. Okay. First I am taking string methods. You know, string, our test automation point of view, string is very important. Whenever we read data, then computer program considers the data as string only. String methods. Indirectly, we discussed 2 or 3 methods, and I will show important methods. First one, compare to. Compare to. Method name should start with small letters. First letter, small letter. Compare to. T capital letter. Open and close parenthesis. This is method symbol. Compare to method. What is the functionality of compare to method? I think we already discussed this one. Once again, I will show the example. Concentrate. Compares two strings and it supports 3-way comparison. See, compares two strings and it is and it supports 3-way comparison. Observe, Vijaya, we already discussed that general topic. In computer programming or in computer environment, we have 2 types of comparison. One is 2-way comparison, another is 3-way comparison. 2-way comparison, 3-way comparison. This compare to method supports 3-way comparison. I will introduce once again. Observe, Bhairappa, result criteria for 2-way comparison. Next, a result criteria for 3-way comparison. What is 2-way comparison? Observe, if yes or no type, true or false, if string 1 equal to string 2, then true. Result is true. If string 1 not equal to explanatory equal to, not equal to, greater than or less than, just not equal to string 2, then false. Next, come to three-way comparison. Observe Vijaya. If string 1
string 1 equal to
string 2,
then 0.
Just a minute, string 2, just a minute. Then result is 0. Next, if string 1 greater than string 2,
then positive value.
Then positive value. Say in some languages, for example, VB script 1 less than -1. But in this scenario, Java scenario, positive value means more than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0. It depends on compiler. Positive value means greater than 0. Next, if string 1 less than string 2, then negative value means less than 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the criteria. And observe one more thing, Vijaya. Comparison comparing two numbers based on their values, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose 5 greater than 3, based on value. Yes, 5 greater than 3, true. Why? 5 is greater than 3. Next, suppose comparing two strings based on ASCII values, American National Standards Institution, ANSI character codes. Short form is ASCII values. Bhairappa, can you tell me ASCII values? For example, A to Z, you need to remember. Why? These are common not only for Java, for entire computer programming, or you can say entire computer environment. What is the ASCII range for capital A to Z?
93 for 93 to 100.
65 to 90.
65
to 90. Next, small a to z. 97 to 122, 122. Next, 0, you need to remember, 0 to 9. I think 48 to 57. For special characters also, ANSI character codes available. And one more thing, Vijay, suppose if you want to compare 5 greater than 3, these two are numbers. You can easily say, if it is two-way comparison, true. Why? 5 is bigger than 3. Suppose UFT greater than selenium. Now tell me, Bhairappa, which one is bigger, UFT or selenium string? Don't forget
This
about the
also.
length of string. See, first it takes first two letters from both the strings. First two letters. Then it compares ASCII values. Suppose first letter same, then goes to second letter. Suppose first letter in first string bigger than second string, then it declares. Observe, capital U, capital S. Which one is bigger? Capital U.
Use.
So UFT is bigger, isn't it?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sirish, are you following string comparison? How it happens? Comparing two numbers based on their values, okay? Two strings ASCII values, and how? First it takes first letters from both the strings. If first letters are same for both the strings, then it takes second letters, next third letters, like that. Suppose if all letters same, then 0. Otherwise, for example, first letter in first string is bigger than first letter in second string, then it declares first string is bigger. Okay, na
Yes,
Sirisha, any confusion?
no, sir.
Okay, cool. Now come to my Java example. Launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Eclipse. Just a minute. Launching Eclipse IDE. Just observe. Just a minute. These are user defined. First you select all these classes. Right click. Del. Next create a class. Suppose class Java methods. Generate the main method. Okay. Just a minute. Why it is not showing? Just a minute. Some error is there. Class Java methods. Generate main method. Now it is okay. Earlier error. Okay. Whenever you face this type of problem, try again. Next come. Suppose declare string str1 equal to selenium semicolon. Next string str2 equal to capital letters selenium. Just a minute. Next string str3 equal to selenium, suppose A. Next string str4 equal to selenium. Now observe Vijay. Vijay, guide me. Suppose SYSO control space enter string 1 str1 dot type C select compare to method another string str2 three-way comparison. What is the output? Vijay Bhairappa, output.
String 1 is correct, sir.
String 1 is?
Compare means like.
Which one is
compare means
bigger?
like.
String 1 is bigger, means greater than
String
na?
1, sir.
Greater than.
Sir, greater than.
String 1 greater than string 2. Okay. Then what is the output?
True, sir.
True or
Positive
false?
value.
Two-way comparison.
Positive.
This is
Positive.
three-way comparison. Positive value. Next observe, just a minute. Second one, str1, str3. Now str3 is bigger. Both are having small letters, but in str3 one letter extra. So string 3 is bigger. Negative value means less than 0. Next, string 1, string 4. Observe Vijay. String 1, string 4. Both are same.
Same, sir.
Means equals to. Equal to means 0.
Having same value. 0.
0. Result is 0. Run the program. Just a minute. Observe. Mine 32 positive value. Forget about value. Just it is you check this one. You check the value. Whether the value is positive or negative. Greater than 0 or less than 0. See positive value less next negative value 0. Okay now. Sirish, are you following? Any confusion? Pavani?
Yes, sir.
Some.
No confusion.
Okay, cool. Some person joined, but
Following, sir.
no name. Waiting for name. Who is that person? Person with no name in our class. Hello? Okay. All of you put mute. Next. Come this one. All of you put mute. Avoid the noise. Now come Pavani. Guide me. Next method.
sir.
Equals method. Equals. This is it supports two-way comparison. Equals method. What is equals method? It is also string comparison method. Just a minute. Compares two strings and it supports and it supports just a minute, and it supports two-way comparison, true or false. Two-way comparison. Okay, you know what is two-way comparison. Come to example. Just a minute. Suppose now three, now two strings only. Observe Pavani. String 1
Yes, sir.
dot type E equals string 2.
True, sir. Positive.
Just a minute. Semicolon. Next, string 3. What is the first statement? 11th statement output, Pavani?
It's positive. True.
Positive. String
True,
1,
sir.
string 1, string 2, both are same?
Same.
Not same. Small selenium,
Capital A, yes, sir.
not same. Strings,
Yeah, not
string comparison
yes, sir.
according to ASCII values, not same. So,
Okay.
two-way comparison, not same means false.
False.
Not positive and negative values, false. Next, second one,
True.
string 1, string 3, same, true. Run the program, false, true. Just a minute. Next, come to another method, simple method, concat method. Concat, third one. Concat method. What is the functionality of concat method? It concatenates two strings. It concatenates all of you put mute two strings. Observe the example, Jyotirmayi. Suppose first one selenium, second one suppose testing, SYSO control space enter, str1 dot type C, select concat another string 2. Say it will show selenium, no space, testing. Suppose if you want space in between selenium and testing, after the selenium word use space, otherwise before this testing use space. Run the program, selenium testing. Okay, na Jyotirmayi, any confusion?
Okay. No, sir. I'm
Okay,
good.
cool. Selenium testing. Next, caret. Observe Vijaya, guide me. Fourth one,
Yes, sir.
char, A capital, open and close parenthesis, caret method. What is the functionality of caret?
Character
Returns a character value by index. Index starts from 0.
0.
Suppose 10 letters, 0 to 9. See, returns a character value by index. Example, observe. Suppose selenium. caret 1.
E.
Just a minute. SYSO control space enter. str1 dot caret 8. Tell me, Vijaya, what is the first output?
First one is E.
E. S is 0. Last one, I think it is 7, na?
Yes, sir. 7 is M.
7 is M. Run the program. EM. Suppose out of range 10. Observe, it is showing exception, na?
Yes, sir.
This is also one string index out of bounds exception. Earlier we discussed some common array index out of bounds. Now this is string index out of bounds.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Suppose 7. Next comes Sirisha. Equals ignore case method. Equals. What is the number? 5. 5 equals I capital ignore C capital open and close parenthesis equals ignore case. It ignores cases. It compares two strings. It compares two strings and ignores letters. Means uppercase or lowercase. Example. Observe, Sirisha. Suppose string 1 selenium, and it supports two-way comparison. String 2 equal to selenium next string str3 equal to UFT. Okay, now display SYSO control space enter str1 dot type E equals ignore case. Select equals ignore case str2 Sirisha.
Yes, sir.
Two-way
It's true.
comparison. True or false?
True, sir.
True. Next SYSO control space enter str2 dot equals ignore case str3. Selenium UFT not same. Letters different.
False.
False. Try to run the program. True, false. Just a minute. Okay, now Vijay, are you following or any confusion?
Sir, a small doubt, sir. That means even though if it is uppercase or lowercase, it does not mind. But
Yes.
if both the words are same, then it will
Yes.
Match the condition.
Yes. It compares.
Got it.
How it compares? By ignoring the cases. Not like just the equals method. Equals method, sensitive. But equals ignore case, not sensitive. Observe. Equals ignore case point of view, capital selenium, small selenium, same. But selenium EFT not same.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Cool. Next come Bhairappa. 612 U capital upper C capital case open and close parenthesis method, and you can easily guess the functionality. It converts values to uppercase. It converts values to uppercase. Small lowercase values to uppercase. Upper to, suppose if you use upper to upper only, lower to upper, next some upper, some lower, to upper only. Observe, to upper. That's why I use it like this. It converts values, lowercase values or uppercase values. It converts values to uppercase. Observe example. Observe Vijay. Suppose str1 small selenium, next str2 capital selenium, next str3 some uppercase, some lowercase, next string str4 equal to, suppose selenium 1 2 3. All of you put mute. Okay Vijay. Now observe println of str1 dot type T, select two uppercase, no parameters, just semicolon. Next, just a minute. str2 two uppercase, str3 two uppercase, next str4 two uppercase. Observe Vijay. First one,
Yeah.
small letters
S
na.
will be same, sir. S will be same.
Selenium.
E will change, sir.
Selenium. Second one,
Will be
upper
same,
to
sir.
upper only. Upper to upper only. Next, third one, mixed. Some upper, some lower. Two upper only, uppercase only. Next, fourth one, alphabets and numbers. Observe here, no error. This method doesn't touch numbers. It will convert alphabets only. See, selenium 1 2 3. It doesn't touch. Run the program. Selenium, last one selenium 1 2 3. Okay na Vijay? Any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
Observe. Next, come Jyotirmai. I think it is
Yes, sir.
easy thing. Easy. Opposite one Jyotirmai. Just opposite one. Two lower. Case, open and close parenthesis, method. You can easily guess the functionality. What is the two lowercase? It converts values to lower case, upper to lower, lower to lower, next mixed, some upper, some lower, to lower only. Suppose if any numbers are there or special characters are there in strings, it doesn't touch, as like to uppercase. Just a minute. Example. I think same example is suitable. Suppose str1 dot type t, select two lower case, semicolon, one more parenthesis required. Just a minute. Next, str2, next str3, next str4. Observe, Jyotirmai, first one.
Selenium lowercase.
Selenium, just a minute. Lower to lower only. Next,
Selenium
lower,
lowercase.
next, lower, next, selenium, 1, 2, 3. Run the program. Okay. Okay, na Jyotirmai? Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, Smriti Pandey. Small one, Smriti Pandey. Small one.
Sir, I have a question. In this case, the last one, string 4 to lowercase, you said it won't touch numbers, so it will be
It won't
selenium
touch
only.
numbers. Means it returns as it is.
Oh, okay, okay.
It returns as it is. It means,
Okay, sir.
meaning it doesn't convert. It doesn't try to convert numbers. Won't touch.
Oh, okay, sir.
It doesn't touch means returns as it is.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. It doesn't mean that conversion function leave the numbers.
Oh, okay,
They
sir.
won't leave either two uppercase or two lowercase. They won't leave numbers. They carry numbers, but no conversion. Returns as it is. Any problem?
No, sir, I'm good now. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
cool. Now come Smriti, guide me. Small
Yes, sir.
function, trim function. Now observe Vijay Bhairappa. These predefined functions are limited only for some common functionalities or common operations that Java developers, Java project developers defined some methods, not for all types of operations. We cannot argue for that operation why no method, no predefined method available, like getting point, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Final conclusion, predefined methods in Java, suppose built-in functions in C language, same built-in functions in VB script are limited. They created methods or built-in functions for common operations. If you want methods for your operations, you create user-defined methods. And one more thing, predefined methods, constant, fixed. We cannot change the method name as well as method code. Method name same, method functionality or operation same. If it is user defined method, user can edit. Getting this point, Vijaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now comes Smriti. Trim method. Trim.
Yes, sir.
What is trim? Removes spaces from both sides of a string. Suppose in VB script, Visual Basic Scripting Edition, we use in UFT, formerly QTP. In VB script, we can find three built-in functions: trim, rtrim, removes right side spaces only. Next, ltrim, removes left side spaces only. Next, just trim, removes both the spaces. But in Java, only trim. Suppose if you want to remove, what is that one? Left side spaces or right side spaces, you need to write the code. That is different case. Concentrate. Removes spaces from both. Just a minute. Both sides of a string. Both sides of a string. Observe example. Observe Smriti Pandey.
Yes.
Suppose selenium. After selenium string some spaces. Before also some spaces. Next, you try to display this one without trim. SYSO control space enter. str1 dot str1, just str1. Next, SYSO control space enter. str2, not str2. str1 dot type t. Where is the trim? Observe Smriti Pandey. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
First, it will display without trim, means
All the
spaces
spaces.
before and after the string. Next time, trim. Observe
Right.
first time no trim,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
second time trim. Okay,
Yeah.
just a minute. Jyotirmayi, any confusion, Jyotirmayi?
No, sir, I am good.
Okay, cool. Next, one important one. Now come Jyotirmayi, important one. Ninth one,
Yes, sir.
substring.
Substring.
Finding substring. In VB script also you can find substr, substr. Here substring. What is the functionality of the substring? Returns part of the string based on index position. Say, returns part of the string, partial string, based on index position. Here you can observe, Jyotirmayi, if you provide only start index, then it will return remaining complete string. Suppose if you provide start and end positions, then it will pick that substring. Getting?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
cool.
Same
Example.
like SQL.
Just a minute. Suppose str1 welcome. Say in strings you can write multiple words also, not only single word. Welcome to selenium. Space also countable. Observe Jyoti, SYSO control space enter str1 dot substring 11. I'm just writing starting position, no end position. Then it will take remaining string. If you provide end position, it will pick that one. Observe. What is the output? Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Selenium testing is the output.
Selenium testing. Selenium. Just a minute. Testing. Selenium testing. It is showing a error. Okay. Run the program. Selenium testing. Next, observe Jyotirmayi. Suppose SYSO control space enter str1 dot substring. I don't want end. Suppose 20. Suppose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Testing. Run the program. Selenium testing. Observe. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Suppose I want to return just selenium.
Okay. Yeah.
str1 dot substring starting index 11
comma 19.
Good. 19. Then it will return just selenium from welcome to selenium testing. Next, suppose SYSO control space enter str1 dot type select substring. Suppose 8, 10. 2. Run the program. See selenium testing, selenium 2. Observe Vijay, any confusion? Right, returning substring. Now come Vijaya. Okay, Jyotirmaya, I will call you later. Run Vijay. Come Vijaya. Ends W capital. Ends with method. String operations important for our test automation. That's why I'm focusing more important operations of strings. What is this one? Ends with specified suffix. Ends with specified suffix or not. Or not. I will write full form. It checks if the string ends with specified suffix or not, and returns and just a minute, supports two-way comparison. Two-way comparison means true
True or
or
false.
false. Okay, guide me, Vijaya. Suppose you take that same string, Vijaya, same string, welcome to selenium testing.
Testing.
Print str1 dot ends with type E, select with ends with, suppose one word or two words, ends with or not, selenium testing,
True. Yeah. True.
semicolon,
True.
true only.
Yes.
Next, just a minute. Just testing, Vijaya. Just testing.
That's also true.
True. Next, just selenium, Vijaya.
False.
False. Observe Pavani. Are you following or any confusion, Pavani? Ends with.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, cool. Observe. Now come Pavani. Last method. It is not method. Property. Last operation for strings in our session. It is not method, property. On objects, we can use methods and properties. Length property. Length property. What is the functionality? Returns.
Nice.
Observe Pavani, difference between methods and properties. We use methods as well as properties on objects only. Syntax same. Object dot method or object dot property. For example, dog is object. What are the methods? Give one or two methods of dog object. Methods, operations. Suppose barking, jumping. These are methods. Suppose properties of dog. Color is property. Height is property. Weight is property. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Height is property. Weight is property of dog. But barking is not property. Barking is method. Okay. Returns length of a string. Length of a string. Observe Pavani. Suppose string one. Suppose selenium testing. Next string 2. Just testing. Suppose str1 dot type L, one more parenthesis, semicolon, Next, suppose string 2. I think 1, 6,
16.
8. Run the program. 16, 7. Oh, testing 7 only, na? 7 only. My mistake. Okay, observe Vijay. These are the important operations on strings.
String method.
Strings. Next, observe Vijay. Any confusion? Vijay, are you there? Vijay not responding. Okay. Smriti Pandey, are you following?
Yes, sir, it's clear. Thank
Okay,
you.
cool. Now, come Sirisha. Just guide me for this first method, Sirisha.
Yes, sir.
Compare to, same here also. Number methods. Number methods. Methods on numbers. First one, compare to. Same method available in string methods also. Now observe, Sirisha, one problem. String is object, na?
Yes, sir.
String is object, but number is not object, na? We already discussed. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java, everything is object. For example, string is object, array is object, etc. except primitive data types. Here, number, either integer or double value, not object. We need to wrap that one. Observe this different usage. Observe, Srisha. Integer class, predefined class. Integer class wraps a value of primitive data type int is an object. We need to make it. Next, an object of integer contains a single field, not multiple fields, single field whose type is int. Whose type is int. Observe, Srisha, I will show compare two numbers, means integers. Your one small assignment to you. Assignment to Sirisha. Compare two numbers. What type of numbers? Numbers with decimal places. Okay, now Sirisha, now I am going to convert plain numbers, integer type. You need to convert
Yes, sir.
numbers with decimal places. For example, 1.2 like that. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now come. Here also it supports three-way comparison. Number 1 equal to number 2, then 0. Next, number 1 greater than number 2. Here one small change observe, Sirisha. Number na exact positive value, but 1 only. Number 1 less than number 2, then minus 1. This is the result criteria. Come to example.
Sir, sir, I didn't get those two statements, sir. After compare two methods.
Integer class wraps. We need to wrap that one. Integer is not object na.
Okay.
Predefined class is there, integer, using that predefined. I am going to wrap that one. Before that, I explained theory. I am going to wrap that one. How to wrap, I will show. And one more thing, observe,
Okay, sir.
observe, Preeti. Suppose string is there, string A is there. You can directly perform methods na, operations na. Why? A is object. Suppose int I is there. You cannot perform operations directly on I na. Why? Integer is primitive data type. It is not object. You need to convert it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Observe. First, I need to wrap that one. How to wrap? Suppose observe, Preeti, int x equal to 5. Now I am going to wrap using integer class. This is predefined class. This is fixed syntax. Integer. I am taking one more object name. Not one more. Object name equal to x. This is wrapping. Observe, Preeti Joshi, getting this point. Why we are wrapping?
Yes, sir.
Why we are wrapping?
We can
We
do
can't
operation
perform
directly.
operations directly on integer. Why? Integer is not object. If you try x dot something, no. Suppose string x, you can use operations, but int x we cannot use. That's why I'm wrapping this one. Now A is object. What type of object? Integer type. What is the value? 5. Any problem? Observe. Preeti Joshi, any problem? Try to understand the syntax.
No, sir.
Now come to example. SYSO control space enter. Observe, Srisha. A is object now. What type of object? Integer object. A dot. Suppose if you type x dot, nothing. Compare to suppose another integer 5. Suppose observe, suppose 4, suppose 7. Now tell me three-way comparison. Output, Sirisha. First output, A compare to 5. Number 1 equal to number 2 or greater than or less than?
Equal to, sir.
What is the output? 0.
0.
Next, number 1
is
greater than number
negative.
2. 1.
Yeah, 1.
Next, number 1 less than number 2. -1.
Minus.
Run the program. 0, 1, -1. Any confusion, Preeti Joshi?
No, sir, I am good.
Okay. and you try to fulfill that assignment, Sirisha. Otherwise, I will show in future. Next, equals method also there in the same one. Equals to equals. Earlier we did the same method on strings. This time number. What is equals method? It compares two, in this scenario, two numbers and it supports two-way comparison. Now observe Preeti this time. Preeti. Suppose create one integer, Preeti, and make it integer object. Preeti Joshi, create an
Yes, sir.
integer or declare an integer and make
Int.
that integer as integer object. Int, suppose a equals to, suppose 10. Next,
Then
wrap
integer.
this one, integer. This integer is built-in class, predefined class. Suppose int b equal to a.
A.
Now b is integer object. What is that value? We assigned a value na 10. 10. Now
10.
compare SYSO control space enter b dot this time equals
Equals
10. What is the output? Two-way comparison, true or false, not 0 greater than 0, 1 or minus 1.
true.
Next, SYSO control space enter b dot equal, just a minute, equals, suppose 7. 7 is false, greater than or less than, two-way comparison only. Next,
False.
SYSO control space enter b dot equals, suppose 14. False. Run the program. True, false, false. Okay na? Preeti Joshi, any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Welcome. Now come Pavani.
Yes.
One small function, small method. ABS, small letters. ABS method. What is this ABS? Returns absolute value. Absolute value. Observe example. Suppose observe Pavani. Double type variable, double a equal to
20.
10.234. Next, double b equal to 10.789. Next, try to return absolute value. A dot type. First we need to Here, one more usage observe, Pavani. Using math predefined class, you can perform operations. Observe, this is
Okay.
different. Math. What is math? Just a minute. Math predefined class. Just a minute.
Maybe small
Observe who is she? Preeti Joshi. Math is predefined class available in Lang package. We already discussed Java Lang package can be automatically imported in every Java program. Math.abs, just a minute. Math.absolute A. This is different usage with the support of predefined class math and its operations or methods we are conducting. Suppose B. Now it returns value. Tell me the value, Pavani.
10.234.
You tell me
10
point
234 absolute value.
10.234. Next 10.789.
10.789.
Say it doesn't round the value. It returns absolute value, means positive value. For example, double C equal to minus 20.345. It returns positive value only. SYSO
Yes, sir.
control space enter math dot
Spelling mistakes.
spell mistake. Good,
Math.
good. Math dot ABS suppose C
20.345.
20.345. Run the program. 10 point something, 20.345. Okay, na Vijaya, are you following? Any confusion, Vijaya?
No, sir, I'm good.
Now come Vijaya. One important but simple one. Third one, round function, round method. What is the round method?
Round the value.
Rounds the value to nearest integer. Suppose if more than 0.5, then next integer, below 0.5, before integer. Okay.
Yes.
It rounds. Just a minute. It rounds the value to nearest integer. Integer. It rounds the value to nearest integer. Just a minute. Here also I'm going to use math class only. Math class, predefined class, math available in java.lang. It is built in. Dot type R, select round A. Close one more parenthesis. Just a minute. Suppose B, suppose
11.
C. First one below 0.5 na 10. Second one
11.
11. Third one
minus 20.
minus only, minus 20.
20.
It doesn't change that negative 10, 11, 20. Just a minute. Now come Smriti Pandey. Smriti Pandey,
Yes,
come.
sir.
Just a minute, Smriti Pandey. Min and max. Suppose 4. Today I will explain up to this number methods. I have some urgent seminar. Tomorrow I will explain this one, character methods and array methods. Character methods, array methods, simple, less in number also, but important. String and number, array also important. Okay, when it compares to string methods and number methods, less amount of methods for characters and arrays. Okay, our test automation point of view, I will explain some character methods and array methods tomorrow. Okay, come min method. Min.
Fifth one, sir. This.
Pardon?
Fifth one, sir.
Fourth one only, na? Fourth one only.
Okay.
So fifth one.
Fifth one. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
compared to
Yes,
ABC.
yes, correct, Vijaya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here mistake. 4. Here 5. Min method. Next 6. Max method. Maximum. Next random method. These are the important method. Random method. Just a minute. Come Smriti Pandey. First min method.
Yes.
Observe, suppose here also I am going to use math class. Suppose, what is this one? It returns minimum value between two numbers. Example. Observe, Smriti.
Yes, sir.
Suppose int a equal to suppose 5, int b equal to 7, next double c equal to 10.234, next double d equal to 10.794, 794. Okay. SO control space enter. I'm going to use math predefined class, math dot type m min suppose a comma b, it returns value only, Smriti.
Yes, sir. It returns 5.
5. Just a minute. You can use decimal values also, decimal point values also. Next, you can use direct numbers also, Smriti. Not only variables. Suppose 10 comma 17. Next, suppose 2.34 comma 2.3. First one minimum value 5, second one
Yes.
minimum value
10.234.
10.234, third one 10, fourth one just a minute. Now tell me, fourth one
1.34.
1.34. Run the program. 5, 10.234, 10, 1.34. Okay, na Jyotirmay.
Yes, sir.
Now come Jyotirmay.
Mm-hmm.
This max method. What is max? What is the functionality of max? It returns
Maximum value.
it returns maximum value between two numbers, integers or floating point numbers. Example, observe. You can use same example. Instead of min, use max. Instead of min, use max. Okay. Now tell me the outputs. Jyotirmay. First one 7, second one 10.794, third one 17, fourth one 2.3. Run the program. 7, 10.794, 17, 2.3. Just a minute. Just a minute. All of you put mute. You also Jyotirmay, some nice background noise from your side. Next, come Vijaya. Random. It is simple one. What is random method? What is a random method?
Yeah,
It generates a random number, but we cannot control the number. That depends on compiler, isn't it? Suppose you want random number, but you cannot control that number. Means you cannot define that one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It generates a random number. It generates a random number. Depends on compiler. Okay. Example. Just a minute. You can directly display. Observe. SY. Observe Vijaya. SYSO dot. SYSO space. Control space. Enter. Here it is also math operation.
Math dot.
Just a minute. Capital letter. Math dot type
Random.
or select random.
Mhm.
Just a minute. Dot
Or
or observe Vijaya, random
yes, sir.
double
Yes, sir.
only available. It provides double type
Double
data
number.
only. Number only, but double type data.
Double type.
I
Yes.
think no integer available built in. Okay. Output. What is the output? We cannot say. This is
Any
dynamic
random
output
number.
now.
Yes. Mhm.
It is not static output. Dynamic output. Run the program. 0.34914. Next time it will change.
The other number.
Another number. 0.650 something.
650. Mhm.
Something. Say these are the important number methods for our test automation. Okay now. Tell me, Sirisha, any queries, Sirisha?
Sir, here
Ah.
one question, sir.
Ah.
Random number means what number it is taking, sir, exactly?
We don't
How
know.
is it giving the 0.34?
We don't know. Random number means this method supports double type data, not integer type, and random.
Okay.
Compiler can
It
give
gives
any number.
randomly. Okay.
Any number.
It keeps changing. If we run again, it will give another number.
Another number. Every time unique.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come observe. Just I will start that one. We will continue tomorrow. So far we discussed string methods, means operations on strings. Next, number methods, operations on numbers. Next, third category of predefined methods, character methods. Character methods. Just one method I will show. Observe Preeti Joshi. Come, Preeti Joshi. Is
Yes, sir.
is letter, L capital. Is letter method. Observe what is this? What is the functionality of this one? Check if the value is alpha byte. Letter means alpha byte only. Preeti Joshi,
Yes,
not
sir.
number. Alpha byte or not. Observe here. I'm not going to wrap character. Character also primitive data type, not object. Okay. Earlier we used math function, and before that wrapping also we discussed. This time I am going to use character built-in class character. It is also available in java.lang package, that is built-in package. Come example. Observe Preeti Joshi. Suppose char, small letters, char A equal to single quote, suppose Z, semicolon. Next, char B equal to single quote 1. Not only variables, you can use values directly. I will show. Suppose SYSO control space enter Just a minute. Character. This is predefined class available in, just a minute, java.lang. Observe Preeti Joshi. Dot type I is letter. Oh, so many. Is letter. Character, suppose A is letter. Next is letter B. Next, you can use characters directly without variables. Suppose A, but follow the syntax. Suppose 7. Next, suppose asterisk symbol, special character. Observe Preeti Joshi. What is this method? Checks if the value is alpha, beta or not, and it returns Boolean result. Boolean result means
True,
logical result. Observe the terms. Means logical result. Logical result means true or false, fixed. Now come, tell me these 5 outputs, Preeti Joshi.
First one is true.
First one is true. Next.
Second one is false.
False. Next.
True.
True. Next.
False.
7 false. False. Next.
False.
False only. Just a minute. False only. Run the program. True, false. True, false, false. Just a minute. Okay. Next, I will explain one more also. Tomorrow we will continue. One more also. 2, related one, is digit. Come Jyotirmai, is digit method. It is also character method. Is digit. What is digit? Checks. Is digit checks if the value is number single only. Why? Character methods na single number.
Yes.
Number or not, and it returns Boolean, or you can say logical result. Okay. Come to example, Jyotirmai. Suppose leave that 2. character dot type I is digit A. Sorry,
Bless
is digit A, one more bracket, semicolon. Just a minute.
Check the
Next, B. Next, not only variables, you can use values, but use single quotes. Single value. Why? It is character methods. It is character method. It is character method. Suppose A. Just a minute. Suppose 1. Suppose just a minute. Ampersand. Now tell me, Jyoti, first one.
Yeah.
Is digit means number?
No.
What is the output?
False.
Boolean result, true or false like?
False. False.
False. Just a minute. False. Next, just a minute.
True. True.
True. Next,
False.
false. Next,
True.
true. Next,
False.
false. Say false, true, false, true, false. False, true, false, true, false.
False.
Just a minute. Just a minute. All of you put mute. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. Before that, I will list out remaining methods yet to discuss. Observe Vijaya. 3 is
Yes, sir.
is just indexing lower case functionality and examples we will discuss later. Is lowercase method. Just a minute. Is lowercase. Okay. Next, is upper. Is uppercase. Just opposite. Next, I think these are enough for characters. Important strings and numbers. Next, come to fourth one. Array.
Array method.
Array methods. Here first property. One is length property. Next, toString. Copy array, etc. Enough. Next, you know how to display arrays. Using logic we can display. Okay. I'm going to close the session. Today's session, Java predefined methods. We discussed string methods and number methods, important methods, and we started character methods. Next, some more examples also there. Today, first half an hour, I will complete these. Now, come. Jyotirmai, any queries?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Balasubramaniam.
Yes, sir. No queries, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Pavani.
No queries, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Preeti Joshi.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Vijay Bhairappa. Vijay, okay. Sirisha,
Thank you, sir. No
welcome.
queries.
Welcome. Smriti Pandey,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Vijaya,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time,